session. Today in this session, I'm going to explain you one of the most important topic, prompt engineering, in very simple manner so that you can able to remember in your daily life. Whenever you saw any prompt, then you will realize this is prompt engineering. Okay. So first of all, today's our agenda is what is prompt engineering, why prompt engineering, where prompt engineering. Okay, these three questions I'm gonna cover. Okay, first one, what is prompt engineering? What is prompt engineering? It's very simple. What is a prompt? Prompt is nothing but a set of instructions to given to someone else. For example, if I ask any question to ChatGPT, it's a prompt. Whatever the question I typed, it's a question. So the question is itself a prompt. Here, what is prompt? Prompt engineering is all about designing a structured prompt to an LLM so that it can able to answer in a perfect manner. Because our LLM is like a smart student. If you ask vague question, it will reply in vague answer. If you give perfect question, reliable question, he will also reply in a very reliable manner. See the difference. If I ask question like what is Python, if you are interested, then type in your ChatGPT right now. If I ask what is Python, it will give a vague answer. What if I say explain Python to a beginner in a simplest manner, use simple English and use 5 bullet points. Now see the answer. When comparing both answers, we will understand that there is a huge difference in the answers. This is all because of our prompts. So that is what we are going to learn in this prompt engineering series. There are a lot of prompting techniques are there. In that, I'm going to cover nearly 10 to 12 prompting techniques. Every single day, I will post one prompting techniques in my YouTube channel. If you are interested, let me know in the comments and be follow my YouTube channel. So this channel is not for earning money. This channel is for just sharing my thoughts and trying to improve myself every single day. I'm 100% consistent. I'm 100% dedicated towards my goals. Because if you are dedicated, if you are consistent, if you are have burning desire in yourself, then you will become something unimaginable person, right? I would like to be top 1% by end of this year. I want to be an engineer. That's why I'm recording these videos. And in that part, prompt engineering is the series. Before concluding this video, I would like to say one thing. What is a good prompt? Simple. Good prompt consists of 5 main things. Just remember, like, it's a clear, CLEAR. In that, C stands for clear context. It means that you need to define what is the context here in a clear manner. And next one, L, logical structure. You need to follow a proper structure. Like first one, what is the role, what is the purpose, and what format you want, and how, which genre you want, like that, which tone you want. So these are things which comes under logical structure. And next one is E for expected output. In which format you need the output, like you need in JSON format, you need in bullet format, bullet point format, whatever it is. According to your desired output, you can mention here. And next one, A for audience. Who you are. When you're learning something, what is your role, what is your current situation? If I am learning this, if I am shooting this, I'm a beginner. That's why my videos are like that. So this beginner is there, right? This beginner word. If you are intermediate, if you are advanced person, you need to mention that. Then A will change the perspective of that answer. Okay. And next one is last one, R is all about redundancy. Don't make confusion words inside our prompt, because these confusions may lead to hallucinate our prompts. Hallucinate our model and will generate some not unpredictable answers and disgusting answers, ambiguous answers. So try to be avoid redundancy. So that is what, if you mention everything in a prompt, we call it as a good prompt. Okay, clear context, L for logical structure, audience, E for expected output, audience, and last one is redundancy. Okay, so for example, act as a Python teacher, explain Python in simple manner, use simple English, use 5 bullet points to a beginner. Okay, this is very clear, right? This prompt is, if you give this prompt, it will give you one of the wonderful answer you ever hear. So this is how you need to improve your skills. That is what for today. I think everyone is clear about prompt engineering and what is a good prompt. In the very next video, I will start with prompting techniques and how we implement in our ChatGPT. That is what for today. And I hope everything is clear. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comments and we will meet in the very next video. Until then, happy coding. Bye bye.